Here are some tips and tricks for installing color PPF on a door handle. I highly recommend you guys get you a pair of these suction cup vice clamps. These are going to help hold this door handle in place while you're applying film to it. Now next we're going to move on to prep. In order to remove anything that's on the paint that's going to prevent this film to stick, I'll be using step 1. Now I will be placing my film inside my hot water kettle now, and this is only to soften this film up, so it's going to be an easy stretch and I could glass the film onto this door handle. And for everybody wondering what film I'll be using, this is that Tuscan yellow color. You could get this from ULTRAFIT. Now we're going to be releasing this liner and spraying a little bit of that slip. But pay attention to the way this door handle is shaped, because now I could hook it on one side and it'll be a way easier stretch. Now let's stretch this, but pay attention because we're going to be stretching this in increment sections. This is going to be eliminating any chances of fingering and lifting later on down the road. Now let's spray our hot tack DI water. This is going to help us flush out any gel, slip, or anything else you guys use to apply your film. Me personally, I like to let this sit for about an hour, maybe 2, before you start trimming it, just to make sure everything is laying down correctly on the panel. Okay, now that it's all dried up, now we're going to start trimming it to give it that clean factory look. Now that we're finishing up, I just got to make sure we're all heat sealing. This is going to allow that film to bond and lock all your edges down, not giving this film a chance to even start crawling back. I hope this video helps a lot of you guys out. I'm Anthony Magana. You can follow me on IG at ppf_Tony for more tips, tricks, and my advanced techniques.